Wrong answer only. Tadi lepas bangun buat apa? Mandi. Wrong answer only. Nak beranak umur berapa? 10 tahun. Wrong answer only. Dalam kelas benci siapa? Tulis. Wrong answer only. Tadi breakfast makan apa?
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
Wrong answer only. Potong kuku pakai apa? Batu. Wrong answer only. Bye! Wrong answer only. Datang sini buat apa?
Mancing.
Boom, chicka boom, chicka boom, chicka chick.
Wrong answer only. Rumah terbakar buat apa?
Masuk air.
Blackpink dodol keripik. Tarik. Selebet.
Wrong answer only. Nanti dah besar nak bela apa? Wrong answer only. Cita-cita nak jadi apa?
Pelayar.
Answer only.
Laju Uish.
Laju ah?
Apa soalan ni? Apa?
Breakfast tadi makan apa?
Kucing.
Tiket. Wrong answer only. Sebelum tidur buat apa?
Pika.
Stop it. Get some help.
Only. Cita-cita nak jadi apa?
Babi.
I'm Peppa Pig. This is my little brother George.
Wrong answer only. Cuci rambut pakai apa?
Shampoo.
Nice.
Wrong answer only. Potong kuku guna apa?
Burger.
Wrong answer only. Kalau lapar makan apa?